Thank you for your support.
What's up, YouTube? So I'm back on the dually. This video I'm gonna replace the rocker panel. Now, hold on, let me give you guys a better shot of this rocker panel. As you guys can see, this rocker panel is rotted, but it's not just there. Hold on, guys. Grab the light. It's also in here. Guys, see what I'm talking about? So all of this is getting cut out. Now, hold on. Now, as you guys can tell, this is a 4-door. This is a crew cab dually. If you're looking for rocker panel replacements for these type of trucks, they always want to sell you the one piece that covers the front and back rocker panels. But this truck, the rod is only in the front rocker panel. So what I did was I ordered this. It's the same thing I did to the other side. This is a rocker panel for a 2-door truck. Now, the front doors on these trucks are the same size, from 2-door to 4-door. So this will fit. Now, I did this on the other side, if you guys remember in an older video. So basically what I'm going to do, because I don't need all of this, I'm actually going to just cut out the parts that I need from here to here, and then I'll cut along here and then graft in what I need and then slide it in place, and that's it. Because I don't need, there's no need to pay for a full rocker panel if you're only going to have to replace, you know, either or. So on that note, let's get to work.